Hello traders, welcome to this video on the pivot custom time indicator for MT4. In this video, we will look at how this indicator allows traders to set custom time periods for pivot calculations and what that implies. At this point, I'll quickly load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the pivot custom time indicator draws pivot point levels on the MT4 chart, but unlike standard pivot indicators that are fixed to daily, weekly, or monthly periods, this version allows traders to define a custom start and end time for the pivot calculation period. The calculated pivot, support, and resistance levels appear as horizontal lines on the chart. This flexibility is valuable for traders who use specific session-based pivots, for example, calculating pivots based only on the London or New York session rather than the full 24-hour day, allowing the levels to be more relevant to the trading session being analyzed. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we can adjust. The inputs. Alright, so we have the pivots. We have options to set the camarilla, mid pivots, and then the period. You can also choose our preferred colors, widths, and all that. As for who is for, this indicator suits session-based traders who want pivot levels calculated from custom time periods rather than fixed daily/weekly periods on MT4. It is a visual reference tool only. It does not execute trades. The download link is in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.